Wow, guys, look at this. Look at that in the borehole, guys. It's all water, man. It's all fresh water. Ah, Daddy? Look at this, all fresh water, right? Enough water. It's enough water here, man, guys. Look at this. Yeah, look at this. It took us 2 days, guys, because we hit like a big massive rock. 4 different rocks, guys. 4 hard rocks, 4 dark one, mate. 4 dark rocks we hit here, man. And it's still water coming out. It's still water coming out in this well. In this borehole, you see? Oh, sorry. See, guys, look. Look at this, guys. Yeah? Look, all the way at the top.